Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Carlin, and I'm an Associate Professor in Environmental Science here at St. Mary's University. I teach courses in ecological sciences. Before I started at St. Mary's, I worked with the highly endangered red wolf, which is currently only found in eastern North Carolina. My research then and now focuses on the spatial ecology of mid to large-sized carnivores, much like the red wolf, and how we can use geospatial technologies like GIS and non-invasive sampling methods like camera traps or scat analysis to gain a better understanding of the species' movements, diet, or habitat use. And in all my research, I try to involve St. Mary's students.
Being part of the environmental science degree at St. Mary's University has been an incredible experience. For the last year, I've traveled with Dr. Carlin and other students to several locations and done fieldwork, looking for the presence of coyotes. Being an environmental science major has brought great experiences and opportunities to grow my skills, and I know there are many more to come.